What the heck was that sound? This game updated. Oh wait, no, ignore the Robux. Hold on. Let me show you how many Robux I actually have. I only have 150. Just ignore that. Yeah, I sold the Commando and bought some stuff in this game. Because it updated. Spam the play button. Go check it out. Yeah. Dungeon Quest is not updated in like 6 months, so if this loads, that would be so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see what they added. Or no, I actually already saw what they added. I'm just trying to like get views by like acting like I never saw the update before. It's like big brain. Wait, cosmetic reset. What did I get? No, they suck. Okay. Alright, Halloween event. As you can see, I already got one of the cosmetics. No, not just one of the cosmetics. Not just two of the cosmetics. I got one. I got two. I got three. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so good at counting. Alright. Yeah, I'm obviously like the best of the best at counting. I also got my leg spell back. I traded like my spare legendary and a green mage set. I don't know if it's a good deal. I haven't played this game in legit 6 months. Like, what the freakles? I meant to say with the flippers, but like that came out like so wrong. What the freakles? Trademark that. I said trademark that! Alright, hey! Hey! Nice combo! I want that also! You chat so fast, dude, like it's 2019. What do you want? Also quit sticking your sword through my veins. That just hurts, brother. Alright, what do you want? What do you want, bro? You got... Stop swearing, that's for like 2-year-olds. Ooh, what's this? Oh, no, I already know what that is. Oh yeah, we got an event info button, so it looks like we got 2 times XP, 2 times gold, plus 1 item drop. Ooh, you got me hooked. Increased legendary drop rate. That sucks. Cosmetic candy shop. Ooh, I already know about that. Earn candy by completing dungeons. Cool. Didn't it say... Wait. There's no cosmetic drop rate ×2 thingy. Limited time boss fight. Wait, what? Wait, boss fight? No, I already know what the boss fight is. Pumpkin King. This guy is hard. Join. Oh my gosh, I can't spell join. Join, yeah. Join boss fight. Yeah, we got the new legendary cosmetics. We got the Vampire Greatsword, and then we got the Vampire Lord. And yeah, this is how we do it. This cosmetic is actually pretty ugly, like the armor. But like the sword was totally worth it. Maybe I shouldn't have bought the Vampire Lord armor. Dude, stop swearing. I thought we already barked about this. What was the other one? Yeah, Ghostly Warrior, and then got another weapon. Where is it? Beach. Yeah, ignore the beach umbrella. Molten Slawa. Nice. That looks pretty epic. Yeah, I got some pretty cool cosmetics. LOL. What did you say? You got a possible existing chance. This guy, oh gosh, 190's in our server. Yeah, we better start. My cosmetics look ugly, and yeah, you can get free cosmetics from this nerd if you beat him a few times, and like you get lucky like me. I didn't get one yet. Like I didn't drop a cosmetic from this guy, but something is telling me that if I grind for like 20 days straight, then I'll get a cosmetic. Because listen, Egg Island got removed like. No, it's not removed. It's still here. I'm almost positive. No, never mind. I saw Egg Island still here. What the heck is my character doing? It looks like I'm levitating like that dumb song from 2020. Oh, wait. What? My cosmetics went back. Wait, what? The game's glitched. What? What the heck? My cosmetics were obviously different. What? Alright, let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Now, I'm not the best on computer. I'm also good with, like, the Bed Wars, like, thing on computer. So, like, now I finally got used to Bed Wars. Not really, but, like, we're just gonna say I got used to it. Like, who's the healer? We need, like, 2 healers here. Is there any healers? Is there any healers? Where's the healers? Heal. There's no healer. Are you serious? Where are the freaking healers? Oh, gosh, I'm dead. Where are the healers? Oh gosh. Yeah, 2 people already died. We need a heal. Oh my gosh, my dude is swearing in the chat again. Oh my gosh, didn't I tell him not to? He has 2 lives left. I have 2 lives left as well. No. Yeah, if there was a healer, we maybe could have had like a better chance and people could have died. Oh my gosh. Oh my flipping gosh. Yeah, there's no point anymore. Why am I not using shift lock? Yeah, no, we're failing. No, stop it. Why? And that right there is an example on how not to do the boss. Oh, I just forgot. I need to claim my daily reward. Let's see what we get. Better get something good, I swear. Oh, never mind. Join. Does anyone make it? Oh, yes! 7 people! 190. Yeah, we're so gonna lose. Like, okay. If you guys want free candy and free cosmetics, here's the strat. Strat with Killer Shake and YT. Well, let me get real close here. Oh gosh, that's a little too close. Alright, so here's the strat for getting free candy. Go into the thing. Go into the pumpkin thing. Or, no, free cosmetics as well. Go into the pumpkin king. Oh gosh, that guy's flying. He's hacking. Sure. No. Go into the pumpkin thing. And then have them start it, and then you wait there. No, you ready up? No. I just made a pigeon sound. Like, no cap. That's my pigeon sound. Do I sound like a pigeon? I know I don't, but like that's my. Oh, we got some high levels over here. Let's see if we can get them to join. Let me just make it first. Pumpkin King create. Yeah, hopefully that went through. Okay. Join my party. I'm screaming at these kids, and their mom is probably yelling at them. That's why they're AFK. Yo, we got the Parrot Kit from Bed Wars. That actually looks like an accurate version of the Parrot Kit from Bed Wars. Join my party, please. Did anyone actually join? Oh gosh, a lot of people joined. Start. Yeah, I swear, if one of them isn't a healer, I'm literally going to flip out. Like what the flippers did. Oh gosh, my nose. Please don't ask what just happened. Come on. Load in. Also, yeah, the creator of this game is also pretty lazy because, he, put the boss in the same map that you spawn in, and, like, I mean, like, the only difference is that, like, there's an invisible wall right here, and, like, you can't go past that. And, yeah, I mean, it's cool how he made, like, the animation, like, that this thing disappears, but, like, why put it there in the first place? Crimson Abbeys, oh my gosh. Yes, there's a healer, let's go. Alright, we're definitely losing. Because there's only one. Oh gosh, yeah, I forgot the animation is sick. Yeah, this boss is like so cool. I've said like, yeah, like 50 times now, like what the flippers do. Oh gosh, I accidentally got off of shift lock. I meant to like sprint there and like, no. And I'm not playing Bed Wars. I need to remember that. Oh, I need to stop making pigeon noises. No, this is a pigeon noise. I just make weird sounds when I game. That's all I can say. It is what it is. Quote by Take George. No. I suck at this game. I haven't played in like 6 months, so you can't really blame me. Alright, that's my excuse to like eat free popcorn or something like that. I don't really know what the flippers do. No! Where are the heals? Of course he heals right after I die. That's so funny. Oh, 2 people have also already died. Wow. The healers must suck at this. Wait. Is that like Ronaldo? Like no cap? Sure. That's Ronaldo. Oh, the spectators are broken. Yeah, nice job, Bcappy. You broke the spectator mode. You're so good at making games. Alright, GG's, Ronaldo died. As we know, if Ronaldo dies, we don't have a chance. Like, we don't stand a chance if Ronaldo dies. And this healer also sucks. Bro, you're going in a sus spot, my guy. His name is Nick. Just replace that N with a D and you got, sus. Alright, so we're obviously gonna win here. Like, yeah, obviously. Yeah, you guys are just gonna stay in the game. Yeah, they're actually trying. Oh my gosh. We're not gonna win. If we win, I'll give away Robux. How much Robux is in my group? Wait, while we go to our group, I think this is a pretty good time to advertise. Yeah. Go here. Go squeeze. How much Robux we got? 0. Yeah, I'll give away 0 Robux. And we're also going to advertise our merch here. Limited time Halloween merch goes away in November. Pretty good steal. I almost said sale. This is a sale. Wait, someone actually bought that. Someone bought that. My merch is actually selling out like crazy, dude. Like, what the flippers? Okay, so checking back on Dungeon Quest, we lost as expected. Also, why is there a giant spider there and there's no, like, spider in, like, the actual game? Like, what the flippers? I said, like, what the flippers, like, 2 billion times. Thanks to Mini Blocks here for giving me that clue. What the flippers? Let me create it. Let me create a dungeon. Pumpkin King. I can say pumpkin really weirdly. Maybe if we get, like, 10 likes on this video, I'll say pumpkin really weirdly. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm about to say pumpkin in the weirdest way that you've ever heard in your life. So I'd recommend you skip until like minute like 12 in this video. Alright, I'm gonna get ready, warm up my hands. Alright, hey! You just bumped into me! Oh my gosh, you're sorry. Who joined? Oh, a few people. Alright. Join. I mean, doing it in 3, 2, 1. Please don't record this. Pumpkin! Yeah, please don't record that or anything. Flippers. We got a bunch of people here. Kicking this guy out. He's pretty low level, to be honest. Bye-bye! Pumpkin King. And I feel like the face on this pumpkin, if it's a GUI, like the pumpkin that's like really close up, like very disturbingly close, like right here, his GUI like face is off. I'm pretty sure that's like a thing like carved into the pumpkin, but like if that is like a screen GUI, then that's very off. Let me see. Oh wait, is that actually a screen GUI? Wait, actually, wait. Oh, come on. Wait, is it actually, though? Where is it? Where's the pumpkin? I want to see it. Are we ready, guys? We got a healer. We got a damage. Stay away from each other and stay close enough to get, okay. Alright, dude. Okay, ready up, guys. Please. Play the letter E. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Yes, let's go. Right, this time we're beating it. Like, no cap. Like, for sure we're beating it. Like, actually. Alright, good stuff. I like what we're doing. Make sure to shake hands with the other team when we're done. I want to see good sportsmanship here. Oh, gosh. Well, this guy's pretty fat, so I'm not sure if we'll be shaking hands with him. But, like, oh, gosh. Yeah, it just dodged the thing, like steampunk sewers. These healers are actually not bad. Like, we might actually have a chance here. I say that right as I'm about to die. Oh, gosh, I might actually die here. Yes, healers are good. No, heal. Yes, sir. Okay, so I somehow died, so we might actually not win. But we're doing pretty good. Like, alright, he only has like 2 Q health left. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with the round, which is gonna be like 1 second for you, but I have to wait like 2 whole minutes, like what the flippers do. We are literally so close. We're about to knock him out of the wazoo, guys. Come on. 2 more hits. Right? 2 more hits? Yeah, 2 more hits. Alright. One more hit. Come on. 1 more hit. Dang it, I didn't get a cosmetic. GG's. On nothing. Yeah. Same here, bro.